Despite a recent crypto market sell-off, there are several key factors that suggest Bitcoin, Ethereum, and altcoins are still positioned for a bullish run through the end of 2025. This short-term correction is viewed by many as a healthy consolidation rather than a long-term trend reversal, and the underlying fundamentals of the market remain strong. Here are some of the reasons why I think it's still bullish for the end of 2025. A major driver of the current bull run has been the influx of institutional capital, particularly through the approval and success of spot Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs. These regulated investment products have opened the floodgates for traditional financial institutions and corporations to invest in crypto, and this trend is expected to continue to grow, which will cause more buying pressure. The global regulatory landscape, particularly in the United States, has become more favorable to cryptocurrencies. With a pro-crypto political administration and ongoing discussions about creating a clearer framework for digital assets, investors are gaining more confidence. We have the president and the first lady creating their own meme coins and pumping and dumping on everybody, which is quite interesting in itself. But we have the Genius Act for more clarity with stable tokens and digital assets as a whole. So that's a positive and I guess a negative at the same time. Let's see where this goes. Nonetheless, on-chain metrics which track real-time blockchain activity suggest that long-term holders are not selling their assets in large quantities, which is bullish. And here's another reason. The bull case for Ethereum and various altcoins is heavily reliant on the growing ecosystems and real utility they provide. Although we have meme coins that provide no value whatsoever other than just going up in price, we have something called the tokenization of real-world assets. And it's making headways, especially with projects like Ondo, which has the backing of BlackRock, the largest asset management firm on the planet. So that is extremely bullish. The broader macroeconomic environment, while subject to change, it's seen as a positive factor. With the Fed potentially cutting interest rates for the end of the year, and couple that with the ongoing discussions about global economic liquidity, could make risk on assets like cryptocurrencies more attractive to investors seeking higher returns. The perception of Bitcoin as digital gold or a hedge against inflation also continues to draw interest as a way to preserve wealth. And let's be honest, Bitcoin, since its inception, has provided holders with over 100% return on their money year after year. So with that being said, as people in the traditional finance world talk about, oh, look at this, a 7% return with S&P 500, nothing beats that. Look at alternative investments like cryptocurrencies, more specifically the ones that actually matter, the top ones. So with all that being said, I think that this is a very bullish end of year sort of track that we're on, and the market sell-off doesn't scare me. Now with me, I highly recommend you follow me on my trading journey by copy trading with me. I utilize the platform BitUnex. It's a great place to be. And if you're interested, check out my referral link and see you in the next video.